Most diesel engines fail early, not because they're poorly built, but because owners skip simple monthly checks that take less than 30 minutes. The truth is, diesel engines can easily last over 1 million miles when properly maintained. But ignore these monthly tasks and you're looking at expensive repairs or complete engine failure before 200,000 miles. In this video, you'll discover the exact monthly maintenance routine that keeps diesel engines running forever. Watch till the end, because the last check alone prevents 80% of cooling system failures that destroy diesel engines. Check number 1. Inspect and top off all fluid levels. This sounds basic, but fluid management is the foundation of diesel engine longevity. Low or contaminated fluids cause more diesel engine damage than any other single factor. Start with engine oil. Check your oil level when the engine is cold and on level ground. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again for an accurate reading. Your oil level should be between the minimum and maximum marks. While checking oil level, also inspect the oil's condition. Fresh diesel oil is amber-colored and translucent. If your oil looks black and opaque, it's due for a change. If you see a milky appearance, that indicates coolant contamination requiring immediate attention. Next, check coolant level in the overflow reservoir when the engine is cold. Never open the radiator cap when hot as pressurized coolant can cause severe burns. If coolant level drops consistently, you have a leak that needs repair. Inspect your coolant's condition as well. It should be the proper color for your system, typically orange for modern diesels. Check brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. The level should be near the maximum mark. Brake fluid should be clear to light amber. Dark or contaminated fluid reduces braking performance and should be replaced. Check number 2. Inspect belts and hoses for wear. Belt and hose failures can strand you on the roadside or cause catastrophic engine damage from overheating. Start with the serpentine belt. Look for cracks, fraying, glazing, or missing ribs on the belt surface. A glazed belt looks shiny and smooth instead of having visible texture. Check belt tension by pressing down on the longest belt span. It should deflect about ½ inch with firm pressure. Inspect all coolant hoses for cracks, bulges, or soft spots. Squeeze the hoses gently. They should feel firm but pliable. Hoses that feel hard and brittle or soft and squishy need replacement. Check hose connections for signs of leakage, indicated by dried coolant residue or wet spots. Check number 3. Clean or replace your air filter. Your diesel engine needs massive amounts of clean air for efficient combustion. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, reduces power, hurts fuel economy, and allows contaminant particles to reach your engine. Remove your air filter and inspect it visually. Hold it up to a light source and look through it. If you can't see light passing through the filter media, it's too dirty and needs replacement. Check for tears, holes, or damaged sealing surfaces. While the air filter is out, wipe out the airbox housing with a clean cloth. Check the intake tubing for cracks or loose connections. Clean air filters are especially critical for turbocharged diesels, where any contamination can score the compressor wheel and housing, leading to turbo failure costing thousands of dollars. Check number 4. Inspect your battery and electrical connections. Diesel engines require significantly more cranking power than gasoline engines. A weak battery or corroded connections can leave you stranded. Visually inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. That white or blue-green crusty buildup creates electrical resistance. Clean corroded terminals with a wire brush and baking soda solution. Check that battery terminals are tight and secure. Test your battery voltage with a multimeter. A fully charged battery should read 12.6 volts or higher with the engine off. With the engine running, voltage should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, indicating the alternator is charging properly. Most auto parts stores will test your battery for free if needed. Check number 5. Drain your fuel water separator. This is critical for diesel engines and often completely overlooked. Water contamination causes corrosion, promotes bacterial growth, and can destroy your expensive injection system. Locate your fuel water separator, typically mounted near the fuel tank or along the frame rail. Most have a clear bowl where you can see accumulated water. Water appears as a distinct layer separate from the diesel fuel. Place a container under the separator drain valve. Open the valve slowly and let the water drain out completely. When only fuel is coming out, close the drain valve. If your water and fuel warning light illuminates, drain your separator immediately. Check number 6. Inspect tires and check pressure. Proper tire maintenance affects fuel economy, handling, safety, and tire lifespan. Check tire pressure when tires are cold before you've driven more than a mile. The correct pressure is listed on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb, not on the tire sidewall. Diesel vehicles often require significantly higher tire pressures, sometimes 50 to 80 psi depending on load. While checking pressure, inspect tires for uneven wear patterns, cuts, bulges, or embedded objects. Check tread depth using the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread groove with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your tread is below the legal limit and tires need replacement. Check number 7. Inspect for leaks in unusual conditions. This final monthly check catches problems before they become expensive emergencies. Look under your vehicle for fluid leaks. Engine oil is dark and slippery. Coolant is typically orange or green. Diesel fuel has an unmistakable smell. Brake fluid is clear to amber. Small drips indicate failing seals or gaskets that will worsen over time. Check your exhaust smoke color. Light gray or white smoke on cold starts is normal and should clear quickly. Continuous white smoke indicates coolant entering the combustion chamber. Black smoke indicates excessive fueling or restricted air intake. Blue smoke means burning oil. Listen for unusual noises during operation. Knocking, rattling, or squealing noises indicate problems requiring investigation. Check your dashboard warning lights and address any illuminated warnings promptly. So here's your complete monthly diesel maintenance routine. Check and top off all fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Inspect belts and hoses for wear, cracks, or damage. Clean or replace your air filter. Inspect your battery and clean any corrosion. Drain water from your fuel water separator. Check tire pressure and inspect for wear. Look for leaks and listen for unusual noises. This entire routine takes less than 30 minutes. Monthly intensive maintenance prevents 82% of cooling system failures and extends turbocharger life by 35%. Diesel engines receiving proper monthly attention regularly exceed 1 million miles of service. The small-time investment in monthly checks pays massive dividends in reliability and longevity. You're protecting an investment worth tens of thousands of dollars. Remember, diesel engines are built to last, but only if you give them the attention they deserve. If this video showed you the simple monthly routine that keeps diesels running forever, hit that like button and subscribe for more diesel maintenance advice. Drop a comment below and let me know which monthly check you've been skipping. Until next time, stay on top of that monthly maintenance and keep your diesel running strong.